Today we are at downtown Yuma.
Historic area, I think.
Yeah, it's pretty cute. It's very like old west. But we are heading to a coffee shop that I found, and then depending how long we spend there, we might go somewhere else afterwards. Today is the day before Bash, so we are heading out to do all of our chores, starting with car wash.
Let's go.
We also got a free air freshener.
It's very loud.
Just got finished at Walmart, now we need to head home and do our chores.